Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram notes only with close friends. So in order to do that you will have to open your Instagram app and just go to the DMs section right here. And as you can see you have this profile picture of yours with a plus icon where it says your note. So we are going to add a note right here. Just hit this icon right here. And right here you'll have to insert what you want to share in your notes. So I'm just going to type something random here like hello. So right here at the bottom of the page you will see share with followers you follow back, and if you hit this option you will see this little pop-up window, and right here you can select close friends. So if you do that, the note will be only available to the close friends that you selected on Instagram. And if you hit done, then you can hit share, and this note will be visible only for your close friends on Instagram. So this is all for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.